from July 17, 1858, illustrated London News. And this is a missing image from the series by William Carpenter. This is of the fair at Pulwama, and this one has a note with it also, a rather interesting note, because according to this, sheep were slaughtered here and offered to the goddess, or it is possible this image is not of actually Tulamula. This image is of the water tank at Jawala Devi. Yeah, because in this he mentions goddess Jawala. So this is the fair at Jawala Devi. When I had first come across, I didn't know about note, so I had tagged it as the fair at Tulamula. But it seemed this one is not from Tulamula. Actually, this one is at Jawala Devi. At the bottom of the hill dedicated to Jawala Devi, there is a water tank, and in this we can see people celebrating. You can see them cooking food. This is meat getting cooked in pots. This is people having bath in the tank. So another little mystery solved.